little coarse salt on him. Blob of butter right there. So I got that salmon stuffed with butter and brown sugar, seasoned with salt, and wrapped in tin foil. Do you guys want salmon or hot dogs?
Hot dogs.
Well, let's catch you some hot dog sticks. All right, got some hot dog sticks.
Yep. So, I'm pretty sure this is plain steak. Wait, no, doing it. Oh.
I'm sitting here cooking and the boys are down there and Tom's hooking fish and Nathan's netting them for him. Those boys are growing up so fast. There we go, fresh salmon, blueberries, and sweet cornbread. I love the flavor of blueberries and salmon.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we've caught a lot of fish, we've got a lot of food in us, and we're just kind of relaxing and the boys are just hanging out and we're having a good time.